On June 29th, 2025, Metro will launch a new and improved bus network. To help you prepare, let's walk through how to find and print schedules and timetables for the new bus routes. You can view timetables on any device, but we recommend using a desktop computer if you plan to print them. Start by going to wamata.com/timetables. This page provides timetables for rail and bus services. Click on the Bus tab to see timetables for bus service. First, select your date. To see times for the new bus network, make sure to select a date after June 29th. In this example, we will select Monday, June 30th to see a weekday schedule on the new bus network. Then, choose your route by entering the route number. If you do not know your new bus route number, you can use this link to use our new tool. For this example, we will choose the C53 route. Select the direction you need to travel on the route. For this example, we will choose southbound. You will have to generate the timetable separately for each direction. This drop-down shows you a list of stops along the route in the selected direction. You can also click this link to see a map of the stops. To see bus arrival times for a specific bus stop, you can choose that stop from the list. However, to see a timetable for multiple key points along the whole route, you can leave the stops field blank. For this example, we will leave the stops field blank, which is what many customers prefer to see. If you want to see times for only AM, PM, or after midnight, you can change the time of day here. In this example, we will leave this field showing all day service. You can now click Go to see the timetables. The timetable shows AM service, PM service, and after midnight service for key stops along the route. For a printable version of this timetable, click Print Timetable. This will give you a printer-friendly version of the timetable, again showing the AM, PM, and after midnight times at key locations along the route. For more information about the new bus network, visit wamata.com/betterbus.